So here's a tricky question. Check this out. What color is a white shirt? Now, most people would say, well, obviously it's white, and they would think it's a really dumb question. But here's the twist. If I walk into a room that's only lit with strong blue light, that shirt will look blue. So which is it? White or blue? Color isn't as important as you think. Light is everything. Now, painters are obsessed with mixing the perfect red or finding the exact skin tone. But here's the deal. You can mix the most perfect color ever and it will look completely different under different lighting conditions. So, does it even matter how we mix our colors? Let's unpack this. By the way, for those of you who are new to this channel, my name is Uri and I am a professional artist and a teacher for over 20 years now. Now, color in itself doesn't exist. I know, it sounds dramatic, but technically color is how our brain sees the different kinds of light waves. Different materials reflect different light waves. But if the light source itself is red or blue or green, the colors we think we are seeing are completely altered. Think of an apple. Under warm yellow light, it looks rich and juicy. Under cold fluorescent light, it can look pale and dull. Same apple, same pigments, different light equals different perception. So how does this affect us as painters? Here's the thing, we don't paint local color, we paint the effect of light. A white wall in shadow is darker than a black shirt in sunlight. A red dress under green stage light can look almost black. This is why classical painters like Rembrandt or Caravaggio obsessed over chiaroscuro, because light defines everything. Form, emotion, story, it's all shaped by light. So instead of thinking what color is that object, try asking what color is the light falling on it. Now, I'm not saying that color doesn't matter at all. Of course it does. But mixing the right color without understanding the light is like cooking a fancy dish and forgetting to turn on the stove. Color mixing should serve the lighting in your scene. Take a Vermeer painting. He often used warm sunlight through a window, but the room was lit with cool ambient light. The contrast, warm versus cool, makes everything glow. That's why his colors feel so alive. And that's the secret. You don't just match your reference. You balance the temperature of the light. This is why I always tell my students, value first, then temperature, then hue. That's the real priority. So next time you paint, don't ask what color is that shirt. Ask what kind of light is hitting it. How does that affect what I see? That's where the magic happens. Now, if this changed the way you think about painting, let me know in the comments. And if you want a deeper dive into color and light, I've got more videos coming soon. Hit that subscribe button and I'll see you in the next one.